Popplet is a great tool for making concept maps, and today I'm going to go over the desktop version. So you just start by going to popplet.com, and then from there you don't need to log in or anything, just go ahead and click try it out. Within Popplet, there are two terms you should know. Popplet refers to your concept map as a whole, and then Popple is the term they use for the different sections within your Popplet. So first, you can start by naming your Popplet whatever you want. Let's say I'm going to make one about the solar system. To get started, you can double click anywhere within the screen and it will bring up your first Popple, and then you can type whatever you'd like. So I'm going to type solar system. There are a few main things you can do with a Popple. The first is that you can change the color to be anything you like. You can change your text size and how it's aligned within the Popple. You can add a drawing into it if you want. And you can upload images, or you can insert videos from YouTube or from Vimeo. If you need to change the size of your Popple, if you go to the corners, these arrows will appear and you can just click and drag to resize. To add a Popple, you can either double click again, so let's say I want to add one about the plants, or you can click on the circle and drag it out. Now if you do it that way, it will automatically connect it. If you have one that you need to connect, you can drag the circle to the Popple you want to connect it to. Anytime you need to edit a Popple, you can just click in it and add to it. So let's say I want to add the sun here, and I can change the color again by clicking that down at the bottom left-hand corner. If you need to move a Popple around, just click and drag. So if I want to add stuff to my planet's Popple, I can add Earth or Mercury. The next thing to look at is this gear up at the top. If you click on this, it provides a couple more ways to edit your Popplet. So if you go to edit, you can undo or you can copy a Popple you've already made. Another really important section is the organize section. So here it will align a lot of your Popples, or it can make columns, rows, or grids. Usually you need to select a Popple before you do that. To select one, you can just click. If you ever want to select multiple Popples, if you hold down the Shift key, you can select as many as you'd like. This is also nice because you can edit more than one Popple at once if you want to. So say I want to change the color of all three of these, I can do that. You will know that you've selected multiple Popples when they turn yellow. Finally, once your Popplet is complete, there are a couple ways that you can export it. If you go into that gear menu down to export, you can export it as a PDF, a JPEG, or a PNG.